Is your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max not ringing when someone calls, or you're not receiving any incoming calls at all? Here are some simple steps that will help you fix this in under minutes. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is not in silent mode, which you can toggle off by long pressing the action button, and making sure it says ring. Also, just open the control center and toggle it off. And make sure Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode isn't enabled. After turning these off, if you're still not getting calls, then let's simply force restart our iPhone, which may fix it. Just press the volume up, volume down, then hold down the side button and keep holding it until the Apple logo appears. Make sure you do this quickly. The second most common reason why your phone may not be ringing is attention-aware features. So let's try turning it off by opening Settings, scroll down, go to Face ID and Passcode, then go down and disable attention-aware features. As you can see here, it can lower the volume if it thinks that you're looking at your phone. Now your iPhone should ring properly. To make sure your ringtone is set to max, just open Settings, then scroll down, find Sound and Haptics, and slide the ringtone and alert tone to the max. You can also make sure that haptics is set to always play. If your iPhone still won't ring, then this can also be caused by your content and privacy restrictions. To check that, open Settings once again, and this time go to Screen Time and Communication Limits. And make sure both of these are set to everyone. If you're still not receiving calls from some specific people, or no one at all, then from the Settings app, scroll down, go to Apps, and go to the Phone app. From here, scroll down, and make sure you're not screening any unknown callers, so just select Never. Then also disable call filtering, so that your phone still rings if the number is not saved. And lastly, check whether you have blocked any caller by mistake. If the problem persists, then there are some accessibility settings that may be causing this. So this time, from the settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, scroll down, select Call Audio Routing. First of all, make sure it's set to automatic, so that it doesn't go to any Bluetooth devices, and also double check that Auto Answer Calls is disabled. Now your iPhone will ring for every call that you get, so you won't miss anything. Hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for more.